Alright, so I went searching for the guy that Harris Heller was using. And according to Harris in his video, this guy was about he said $220 if I remember correctly. Well, went to check now, and this guy is up to $700 now. Thank you, Harris, for blowing him up. You could have gave us this information on the low. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from the show. It is your pleasure to be here.
Bruh. Nope.
It's my pleasure that you're here. That's what I mean. If you haven't still, make sure you subscribe. Everybody says this, so I'm going to say it too. I don't know. Press the like button. Do whatever you thumbs up. Send me the Twitch. Do whatever you need to do to get me to the top. But anyways, back to what I was doing. This is my Fiverr review. If you're not familiar with Fiverr, Fiverr is a place where you can go hire somebody to basically help you with different stuff. I could go hire people to help me with my Call of Duty because I'm terrible at Call of Duty. I could actually hire somebody to do my Twitch overlays and make my page look professional. I could do many stuff on Fiverr. Today we're gonna try to hire somebody to make our stream look amazing. Let's do it. I already had actually seen a couple of pages of people that I wanted to contact. For instance, this guy right here, he's offering for his premium pack, which is probably what I'll be using. I want to try different price points and different stuff for you guys to see and actually evaluate what you want to do. If you actually want to come here, the premium pack has animated screens, animated webcam, logo intro, animated alerts, text-based emotes, and stringers, which most of the stuff I want is animated. I'll give you an example. This person's previews and stuff like that. I'll show you something that I liked from his videos. Alright, you see how the lady in the back is moving and everything is animated? If he could do something dope like that with me, doing something funny or something weird, that would be awesome. Uh-oh, wait a minute. I think I'm seeing something here. We got some competition. Let's read up on this. With the Pro version, you get animated screens, a mascot logo, a logo intro, animated alerts, panels, face cam, Twitch overlay, 3 transitions, basic emotes. Everything is animated. Wait a minute. I think we got another winner. Now let's see your work. This is the guy. I remember, because this is the kind of intro I want on my logo. When he does make my logo, that joke is dope. My logo coming like that, I'll put it in front of every move, in front of every video. I might put it in front of this video if we get it in time. And I do like this. Whoa. Let me read the review, because I remember this guy. This is the guy I liked most. Look at that. That's dope. If your emblem could be a creature and then turn into your emblem, look, raw. Watch. It's a big dragon, raw, and then he transitions into a small emblem. He's getting it. There's only one 3-star one. Need to work on listening to customers, especially when a person pays in full for your service. Beforehand, I felt like I was doing something wrong by requesting all the items I was promised. Man, you look like you up to no good.
Bruh.
Some of the good ones. Thanks for all the work. Thank you. You always stay in contact. This is the angry man. Changing something I want to change. Good work. You are welcome, sir. Always priority. This one I loved. Great heavy skills of designing. Perfect. I agree with you. This one I love. This is one of my favorite. 10 stars. I agree. This one's alright. But of course, it's what you like. You're asking for this. So, this one was by far number 1. That's the next to the quality design. This guy to go to if you want to take your channel to the next level. That's all you had to say, because that's exactly why I'm here, to take my channel to the next level. Let me contact the seller, let them know that I will be purchasing your premium package. We'll be ordering your premium pack. I love some of the animation I've seen on your page. Hope to take my screen. Who's screaming? Oh my gosh. To the next level. Boom. Very nice. Now, let's go pick the deal that we want, right? Let's check out. Perfect. And I'm going to type my number here so you guys can see it. Absolutely not. We have bought the package. We finally made the step. Now let's write what we want. Let's write what we need. Let's try to let him know exactly how we want our stuff to look so that he can try to do his best. So I'm gonna give him an example according to what I see with his stuff. And I'm gonna think of what I might want. The problem is I don't know what I want. So maybe I should just say that. But then I leave it up to him, and when he brings it back to me and I'm not impressed, then it's my fault because I really didn't give you no kind of space. I'm pretty sure they hate clients like that say, do your best, use your imagination. So I'm gonna write honestly. So I try to describe as much as possible what I like from him. What I saw he likes. We might be able to incorporate these things into my logo, and I'm gonna be happy with it. Now what I'm trying to do is incorporate stuff that suits me. So I'm gonna tell him I want him to freestyle, but I gave him some kind of direction. I might send him a picture of my emblem and my stream so you can see the color schemes. I sent a pic of my stream, a pic of my icon, and a pic of the person I'm named after, in case that helps spark some idea. Perfect. He's already writing to me, so that's it good. He's responding quickly already. Look, he already sent me. That's perfect. Sure. Waiting for the order. Can you tell me your requirements? What kind of logo? You can add like a nice letter that rotates, maybe a show enough that goes around or something dope. So we have chosen the person we want to be moving forward with. Let's make the payments. Let's wait the days. And we'll come back to finish this video. For you, it's the same day. For me, I don't know. Whenever he delivers it, I'm here. I'm ready. I'm not going to be wearing the same clothes though. Don't even think about it. It's going to be approximately 3 days afterward. And if we check our messages here, we've been going through dialogue back and forth. Everything's been great. This guy's been awesome, man. I think I lucked out this time. We've been going back and forth. He already started the order. Let's check out. This would be my regular old avatar. Okay. Granted, this avatar was made by somebody that actually knows me. So as you can see, it's pretty spot on. Of course, you know me. Great job. It's something I gave him an example of. Actually, I told him I wanted this like animated. Maybe see if he could work on this. And he told me okay. He had no problem with it. I sent him a couple of pictures of my stream. Which, by the way, I stream Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays from 8 to 12 p.m. Eastern Time. And then on the weekends, I stream as much as possible. I usually start around 1 p.m. So come by and check it out. And I sent him a picture of what my stream was constructed on. He asked me questions. He actually came back with an initial idea of something. I don't know if he kind of knew that I wasn't feeling it. Like I said, here we go. If you look behind me, he built this logo, which honestly looks awesome. I'm not gonna lie. I mean, to not have nothing to go by and then reconstruct something for me. That's his screen name, by the way, if you want to go check him out, guys. It's awesome, but like, I kind of felt it was great, but how was it gonna fit me? I'm not a shooter. I mostly, if I do play shooters, I'm a comedian shooter player. I die drastically. I have fun. You would enjoy watching me play Apex. But I don't feel like I should be modeling my whole stream on it. Like, I don't play it enough for that. We could change the head to my face, I told him. You know, I didn't know how customizable the product he sent me was. So I was willing to find out by asking him, can I change the face? Can I change the color? To which he responded, if you change its face, it's not gonna look authentic. But I might have something that you might like. You seem like a comedic streamer, so I'm gonna send you something comical instead. I said, perfect. And he sent me this. And I said, that's dope. You know, it's a lot more me. I mean, it looks like me. Make this just a little different color. I didn't like the orange and green. And let me see how it looks. And he turned to blue, and it looked a lot better. I could imagine this with my actual name on it and the face. And he took it a bit further by saying he could actually animate this. So I wanted to actually see. I had an idea, actually. I caught an idea with this. I'm like, maybe I can make this like my show's logo, like the show that I do, or maybe the videos or the company. Maybe this could be the Show Enough show. I thought, and I was like, oh, I looked at it, Show Enough, because it's 2S. Oh, that would look awesome. So I explained to him, send him a couple of pictures of which animation I like, not trying to get over him, just explain to him what I like. To which he said that's a very extreme animation, which is cool. I'll probably someday come back. And 3 hours later, he animated it and sent it to me, and here's the finished product to my emblem, animated and everything. Gorilla squinting. Show Enough show looks amazing. Colors look amazing. I mean, you may see this in the video. This might be like something I throw up at the beginning of videos, or maybe like if I'm having a podcast. But I also thought, I don't know if I want to use this on my everyday stream. So I told him I'll pay him a little more if he builds me another avatar like the one my friend did, but animated like this. I wanted my face to move and, you know, do stuff. I wanted it to be animated. This is dope. So which he replied, cool. I asked him, this is where I asked him, is there any possible way you can animate this? Because maybe I could put that on my stream and be my own brand. I don't need nothing else. I don't need no other icon representing me but my face. And he said, okay, how about we rework it? Send me a couple of pictures of you holding a controller. Which I sent them these. No color schemes, no nothing. As you can see, very scruffy, very ugly. You can barely make out anything. You could probably see. I mean, I wasn't expecting nothing as great as it came out. Look, I sent them another one from another angle. I'm like, let me give them 2 angles. You know, perfectionist from 2 sides. So I sent them this. Said, all right. He started just from the drawing, guys. Look at this. Look at this. Ooh. Even the under of the hat came out to perfection. Like green. He didn't even change that. Let me see. Can you see? You could sure see that it's green. Oh, baby. The little gap that I have right here definitely drew it in the damn. Once I saw this, I got excited, guys. Like, this looks awesome. That's 3:20. That's about 3 hours after I sent him the picture. Let me see by when he was done. By 10 a.m. that morning, he was done with this. Looks. Woo! By God, it came out perfect. I'm pretty sure there was more excitement after that. Perfect. Oh, asked me if I wanted my name right under. No, he actually asked me if I wanted my name in here. I was like, no, don't mess up my name, Brad. I told him right, Mr. Enough, and this is how the last of it came out. The crazy thing is, I didn't even pick a font. This guy added the font himself. He was creative enough to take whatever little I gave him and turn it into a work of art. And I was speechless to this. This is amazing. Perfect. I was excited by this, and every time I got excited about something, it wasn't even done. He's like, I still gotta animate that. To which he made it like this. Oh, this might be the entrance to the video, guys. Y'all might notice it now. Ooh. perfection. Oh my God. Oh, when I make it big, I'm taking this guy with me. He's going to the top. We building everything. We're gonna go build Ninja's Stream after this. And then he asked me if I wanted that actual emblem in every screen instead of the other one. I said, yeah, this would. Which one? I actually asked him which one you think would look better. He said, this one. It's you. It's the screen. Let's go for it. Trying to get over him. To which he replied back, I already finished your starting soon and your ending soon. Look at this. Oh my goodness, guys. That looks awesome. Perfect. Love it. Can't wait to see the rest. And the funny thing is, after everything, no matter how excited I sounded, he always asked me, are you satisfied? Everything good? And I appreciate that. It was like, his only priority was to make me happy. Because they came out amazing. Ooh, look at that. I look good on TV. Don't tell nobody though. That's nice. That's nice. Can't wait to add it. On Discord. My new subscriber. Who's that? Oh my gosh. I'm everywhere. Oh my gosh. And the top. Mr. Nuff. Oh baby.
And we're back, ladies and gentlemen. This would be day 7 of rebuilding your whole stream through Fiverr. And it's going amazing. I think the project is done. He showed me the end product. Everything looks amazing. And I'm really happy. So let's get to it. Alright, here we go. Final product. This project took 7 days and cost $105. How satisfied are you with the value of the money? Very satisfied. Everything came out great. Let's give this guy a thumbs up. Make sure you go check him out. The screen name will be in the descriptions. My boy Soul Hub did a wonderful job. I will show you everything. Pure perfection. Model fiber seller. Listen to everything well, polite. Got back to me every day in a timely manner. Will recommend to everybody.
In conclusion, guys, my experience with Fiverr was awesome. I had a great experience. I think the page is built well. It was my first time on there. I was able to navigate through it. I was able to pick a guy out to do all my labels and my animations. And I honestly didn't have one problem. So guys, if you're looking for a graphic designer, writer, video, animation guy, go over there to Fiverr, take a look and see if you find something awesome like I did. If you have any questions for me, definitely come by my Twitch channel. Stream Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays from 8 to 12. Thank you guys. Guys, have a good night. Appreciate you.
Wings out.
Are you shooting at my... Oh, he dead. He hit. Yo, if you behind me, there you go. There you go. Wait. Whoa. Whoa. There you go, Toad.
No.
What happened? Skinny shit. Don't. Oh, no. Not my neck. No. No. Damn. Toad came in there like...